Hi class, so today we are going to be talking about policing. Um, there are many things that affect the way people view the police, and three important ones that we're going to be covering today are going to be police bias, racial profiling, as well as militarizing the police. And then after we talk about those, we're going to go in depth into community policing, which can help solve these problems. So first, with police bias, some police officers could potentially have a bias toward one race or another, which could cause that police officer to pull someone over versus pulling another person over. Another one would be racial profiling. I think we've all heard of driving while black. Just because you're black, you're driving around late at night, means you're up to no good, which is not right. And as sad as it is, there are police officers that do that. They do racially profile someone. They look for someone who fits the description, so to say. I got two friends walking down the street late at night. They're just out for a walk. Two African American males dressed in dark clothes. They think they're up to no good. And then as far as militarizing the police goes, we have given police the tools that our military uses. And they aren't friendly looking tools. They can be very scary, and to an average citizen, it could look like the police are getting ready to wage war against the community. And the community doesn't want that. They don't want to feel like they're in peril of being overrun and being taken advantage of by the police. So one way I believe, and that our textbook talks about, is community policing. Community policing has been around for about 20 years now. It emerged in the 1980s as an alternative to traditional policing. And the whole purpose of community policing is to work together with the community to solve crimes, to solve problems. It's also used as an effort to increase police-community relations, which is super important, because if the police know the community and the community know the police, it will help with problems that may arise. Let's say you get called to a neighborhood and you know these people in the neighborhood, you know their culture, you know everything, you know how to deal with them. You're going to know what to them could be seen as disrespectful, and they know what could be seen as disrespectful to you. When you guys have that understanding of each other, everything flows much smoother, and it will stop problems from arising because there isn't a misunderstanding. Most of these problems occur because of a minor misunderstanding in culture. So one of the things that we do here in Lake Havasu City, Arizona, we have a program called Coffee with a Cop. It happens once or twice a week, and the community can come down to a coffee shop and sit down and talk to police officers, talk to the chief of police about problems that they think are in the community, and it creates a connection or a bond, so to say, between the community and the police, which having that bond will make handling potential violent situations more smoother. So overall, the most important thing here is having a good understanding between the community and the police, and them knowing each other and knowing culture, and that'll just help with everything.